Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. Every 2 minutes you can claim this much Satoshi of the Litecoin, the Tron, and this much claim per day. Just put your email address of the faucet page. Just solve this little capture. It's too easy. Then solve this little capture. This is another way, easiest way to you can start earning. And just wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can claim your free reward from this website. Okay, so 3 2 1 and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly to your faucet pay. You can see, okay, sorry, this will invalid capture. Just I solve again. Okay guys, now you can see this website pay me. Just in first time I just solved the wrong capture. Just I reload the page to show you this website pay me or not. I just come down and you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and thank you. Bye bye for now.